Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on my socials. Guys, do you guys notice anything different about me? Yes, it is my hair color. The lighting here is like not the best, so you can't really see too well, but my hair is actually violet red right now. But doing makeup with this new hair color has been a little bit challenging, but we are here anyways. Today is a clean girl makeup look that is very low maintenance, simple, and fast. Let's go ahead and start. First, starting with the foundation, I feel like the clean girl looks gives a little bit more lightweight, very good coverage at the same time, just like very clean canvas. But this girl does not have the required materials because my face is kind of breaking out right now. We're gonna go with the double lasting foundation from Etude House. My favorite, guys. I usually use shade 23. After I dye my hair, I feel like I need something lighter, so I'm gonna use shade 21. And I'm also gonna mix this like purple, I don't even know what this is, but I've been mixing these together because I need to get rid of all the yellow shades in my face. I haven't used 21 in so long. I knew that was gonna happen. Got a little bit of that and a little bit of this. Boom. Just gonna mix those two. And then I'm gonna spread. This foundation is literally like tattoo. I'm just gonna spread it like this with my hand first. Okay guys, maybe 21 was a little bit light for me. But then with this hair color, like I do need this kind of skin color. Okay guys, I'll kind of kill it down afterwards. Don't worry. After I spread it like this, I like to put on makeup setting spray. And then I'm gonna go ahead, grab my sponge, and then start blending it out. This way, like it lasts so much longer, guys. Like my foundation rarely breaks down. Blended it out. Now we have that clean canvas that I want to work with. Alrighty, clean girl, clean face. Moving on to contouring, I'm going to use this one right here that has less of a yellow undertone compared to this one. This is all because of my hair, by the way, guys. If you have like warm tone, go ahead, use your normal like whatever contour. I'm just gonna mix these two shades. And also, this foundation is really nice to work with powder because it is matte. It sits so well and it doesn't scrape my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and make my nose tip a little bit more narrow. I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter on the tip. This is because I want to make my face look a little bit shorter. So if you don't mind that, you don't need to cut that down. But I like to cut this down. And then with my nose bridge up here, but with the darker shade, I'm gonna emphasize a little bit more in front of my eyes, like right here. And I like to make a little line right here so that my nose tip look a little bit more elevated. Lovely, just like that. I wish this was a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna go ahead, get the darker one, and let's shade our face. I'm not going to emphasize my cheekbone. I'm just gonna do the whole cheek area right here. And I have a wide forehead, so let me just cut the sides down a little bit. So as you can see with the contouring, it's very natural. The shades are very natural. The areas that I put on is very natural as well. Now moving on to the brows, I'm gonna use a Petit Peta eyebrow pencil. I usually use something more like dark brown, ashy brown, but after I dye my hair, I feel like that does not work. Let me go ahead and brush this dye. If you guys see the color, very like gray. The applicator is really thin, so it's really beginner friendly. It's really easy to use. So for me, I just like to go ahead, kind of individual drawing vibes, but also the clean girl like minimal look has to have very natural eyebrows. Nothing like too on fleek. Just kind of filling it in. It's so hard to make eyebrows even, especially when they're not plucked. But now I'm gonna get the brush again and make them a little bit more natural. For the beginners that don't know how to clean their brows, I have a whole tutorial on it and it's really easy. I still use that method, so check it out. Anyways, we're moving on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my aegyo-sal, which is something I really need right now because under here is just white. I'm gonna use the ColorGram aegyo-sal maker. I'm gonna go ahead and squint and follow that natural shadow that I get. As you see, I don't connect the beginning of it. I just leave like a little space. And then I don't go all the way out either. Kind of just blend that out. Lovely. Guys, I love aegyo-sal. Some people don't like it, but for me, it's a must in my face because I like to shorten my face. And doing this aegyo-sal is so helpful when it comes to like youthful looking or shortening your face. I'm gonna color in the fat part with a little bit more lighter color. Perfect, perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we are done with the basics. This is just the canvas that we need before we go into our main lip, cheek, and eyelashes. Those are the main three things that I like to emphasize when I do a clean girl look. So starting off with my cheeks, I'm gonna go with this Amelie. This has been my go-to. This is a really nice base shade for blush because I like to layer blushes, and this is such a pretty pink, guys. I'm obsessed. Do you guys see that? Every time I see it, it looks freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. And it's so cute with my hair color too. I'm also gonna put it a little bit on my eyelid. And for the placement, I'm doing it right here in the middle of my eyeball and then kind of pushing it outwards, but nothing under my nose tip. And then put it a little bit on my nose tip and my chin. Because I'm not gonna really put eyeshadow today, it's really important to have some kind of colors on my face so I don't look dead. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. For the eyelids, just kind of avoid the brow bone. And it's kind of being used as an eyeshadow. Blended so nicely, so natural. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna layer down another color. You guys already know this is literally my favorite. Just in the center right here. Blend it out. Next, my favorite part of the makeup routine is doing my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lip liner. Color is literally my lip color. The way it extended my lip, but also the color match is crazy. Just like that. Okay, next for lips, we have to go for something more natural, nothing too strong of a color, but we gotta be glassy, okay? I actually have all the shades of the Nature Republic's Honey Melting Lip, and I got this a while ago, but I didn't get a chance to open them up yet, but I really wanted to try it, so I think today will be a perfect video to do this. Okay, is it a pen? Whoa. Oh my gosh, this pink color. I don't think this one is really a color, but it will tint my lips a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, it smells like fruit. Oh, very nice. Honey-like texture, accurate. I was wondering if it would sting, but there's a very minor slight. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Okay, move on. Next, moving on to our third lean, which is our eyelashes. Guys, I don't have eyelashes. For you guys that know, I do have a serum, but I've been so lazy with this. I haven't been putting them on. So that's my fault. Today's a no falsie day. We're gonna work with our real natural lashes. OMG, do you see how short that is? First required material will be our heated eyelash curler. It's really dirty, guys. This is from Hebecca on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, let it start heating up. This is a really important step because for us monolids or people that have really thick, strong, straight eyelashes, curling them takes a really long time and it's really hard, and they go back down real fast. But this is kind of like a curling iron. You know, when you curl your hair, it stays for a longer time. You might ask if it's really, really hot. No, it's not really gonna burn me. It doesn't burn my skin. Maybe if I keep it on for a longer time, but if it's like this, I'm super chill. This is the after of both of them being curled. They're so cute and small. I'm gonna grab the regular curler now, and I'm gonna pinch just the root so I get a little extra like that. Okay, the moment I let go, I need to apply mascara. I'll tell you guys what this is in a second. Oh my god. From the root, and now we go with the tip. And 어쩔 수 없이, it does get on my eyelids, so I'm just gonna blend that around. Okay, not the prettiest curled, but at least you can see the eyelashes. That is just, I'm grateful for that. Yeah. Now going back to the mascara, I'm using Heavy Makeup Mascara, which is one of my favorites right now and my go-to right now because this one does not smudge, very long lasting, and it keeps my eyelashes curled. It doesn't flatten them down. Okay, let me do the other side real quick. Okay, back with both sides. Guys, you guys don't understand how hard it is for your eyelashes to show when you have monolids and you have short eyelashes like me. Guys, this is a miracle. Now, last step for the eyes, we are going to do eyeliner. But I'm gonna use a gel pencil eyeliner today. This is a really easy eyeliner tip for beginners especially. So I'm just going to open my eyes, just outline. And as you see, it's disconnected because I only focused on the line. So now I'm gonna connect this. Just maybe up until middle, the highest part of my eye maybe. Follow the natural shape. Sharpen that. And there is my eyeliner for today. Ah, super cute, super natural. just on the tips, because you know when we close our eyes, the inside doesn't show anyways. So I'm gonna grab a small brush that could soften this eyeliner out just a little bit. Like, don't blend it too much. We still need that eyeliner. Just on the edges, just a little bit. Now you might worry, like, it's gonna smudge all over my bottom now. Girl, I got you the solution, okay? We're gonna go ahead and seal this guy with the magic sealer. This is actually magic. I'm gonna go ahead, just put this on my eyeliner and then apply it on my mascara too. And last but not least, we're gonna go with our highlighter. It's been my go-to. Love this color. This is the color Clear. Nothing too crazy, guys. Natural again. Okay, that's good. And then my inner corner, aegyo-sal. And then my inner corner. Okay, I am done. Okay, this is my final look of the day. What do you guys think? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if you have any video recommendations. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!